set up Syncpass, how to register for Syncpass. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can set up and register for Syncpass. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to set up or register for Syncpass, we'll just follow the instructions on the app. First, launch the Syncpass application. And then normally it's going to just ask us to log in using our ID. So if you have your ID, you can log in right from there. But if you don't, you can see it says here, don't have a Syncpass account, learn more. So just tap on the button that says learn more button here. Then when you do that, here it says, how do you register for a Syncpass account? So of course, it says click here to register for a Syncpass account. So tap on the click here link over here on this page. Now you have to register for Syncpass using these details. First is you have to type in your full name according to your NRIC or your FIN card, right? Then you enter your NRIC or FIN number, enter the date of issue of your NRIC or FIN card, then verify the I'm not a robot captcha, followed by agreeing to the terms and conditions, then tap the submit button. After you tap on submit, it's going to also ask for a couple of other information. So whatever detail it asks you, make sure it is legal information because it will be used to verify with your identification later on. And once you've completed all the steps, which is pretty much self-explanatory, your Syncpass account will be successfully set up and you can log in through the app. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.